that. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Now I may be heard. Okay, so you didn't hear the part where I said good Tuesday. Good Monday afternoon. This is First Alert Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Russ Thomas. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Was not bad at all. In fact, very nice out there. Now, as we look ahead and look into this week, we're going to see relatively mild temperatures. Not that it's going to be mild, but compared to this time of year, I think every day is above average, and that actually swings ahead into our weekend as well. So good news there. Going to go ahead and pop up the screen full behind me. You can see generally cloudy conditions across the region today, and that's been the way it has been throughout the day across the region. Let's go ahead and show you our current numbers. And we've got 41 in Fargo, 38 Detroit Lakes, 38 also in Roseau, several 39s I should say as well. Langdon, Jamestown, and Oaks, 37 Baudette, 37 in Bemidji. So again, these numbers, believe it or not, again, we are now sitting in the second half of November. Those numbers are still above the norm for this time of year. Looking ahead to tonight, chance of wintry mix in our southernmost locations. So what are we talking? We're looking at northeast South Dakota, extreme southeast North Dakota, and even then anything we see is going to be light. So if you're heading down in that direction, unless you're heading well south towards Sioux Falls, you're really going to find very little to no issues in terms of traveling out there. Looking ahead to this week overall, temperatures are going to be above average, just a few isolated showers here and there, I think, again, for those southern areas tonight through early tomorrow morning. And then again on Wednesday, Tuesday night, Wednesday, could see some light rain mixed in with a little bit of snow as well. Next big change looks like could be as we head toward Thanksgiving. In fact, from the day before Thanksgiving right through Black Friday, we're looking potential for colder and snow changes. I think the colder is going to come certainly after Thanksgiving. It's whether or not we see any precipitation. And right now, as we look ahead, one of our weather models actually is calling for a snow rain event once we get to Thanksgiving Day. Again, that's one out of several weather models we look at. The other's not showing anything like that. So something to keep an eye on. That's our European model that is calling for the potential for that. So obviously we're going to keep an eye on it. But again, right now we're still talking 10 days out, 11 days out. We're just going to watch it and let you know that obviously we'll give you updates, and should we need to in another couple, 3 days, if it looks like it's going to materialize that way, we'll let you know. We'll get that first alert information out to you. And again, as I said, keep you updated. Let's go ahead and take a look at our precipitation chances for tonight into tomorrow. Again, we're starting at 5 o'clock here. You can see where that moisture is. You see extreme northeast South Dakota right now, extreme southern Red River Valley as well. Doesn't look like it's just going to make it up into the bulk of our region. So we wake up tomorrow morning, I think mostly cloudy conditions. Going to be a little chilly. Northwest Minnesota, we could see some upper teens, otherwise low to mid-20s. The farther south you go, we're looking more mid-20s, upper 20s, low 30s. Then by tomorrow afternoon, a good amount of breaks in the clouds. I think for most areas, mostly sunny. Now, we could see a scattered stray shower or two in our northern areas during Tuesday afternoon, but by and large it is going to be dry. I think generally speaking a pretty nice afternoon when it's all said and done. Again, where we see the clear skies, we've got 23 Roseau tomorrow morning, 23 Bemidji. Do think it's going to be warmer. Again, Baudette, I should say colder in Baudette, 19 degrees. It's going to be warmer the farther south and west you go. More cloud cover. 30 Fargo, 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, 32 in Wahpeton, 33 in Sisseton. Regional forecast for 3 o'clock during the afternoon tomorrow, and I will say we've reached that time of the year because of the sun angle, because of sunset, sunrise times. 3 o'clock is typically when we hit our peak temperature, right there anywhere from 2:30 to 3:30. What you're going to find is more clouds in those northern areas. That's where we could see a stray shower tomorrow afternoon. Again, odds are limited for that, but still looking at mostly cloudy skies. Upper 30s, low 40s, couple mid-40s out there. 40 Cavalier, 39 Langdon, 42 Candu, 44 in Harvey. That's your warm spot within that region. We head farther east, northwest Minnesota. We're looking at mostly sunny to mostly cloudy skies depending on location. The farther south and east you go, the more sun you're going to see. 37 Baudette, 38 Roseau, to as warm as 44 and 8. A lot of 40s on the board there. Red Lake and Bagley included. Red Lake Falls 42, Warren at 42. More sunshine south, and that does include Fargo, Moorhead. High temperatures generally in the low to mid 40s. That includes 43 Fargo, and you see a number of 44s there on the board as well. Wednesday, a little more cloud cover during the afternoon. Again, I think that's the day that's going to feature some light showers out there. Not everyone going to get showers on Wednesday. Anything we do see is going to be very light, but that opportunity is there. And as you can see, 3 o'clock temperatures during that peak of temperatures, the max temperatures we'd see during the day, anywhere from upper 30s to mid 40s. The farther south you go, the farther west you go, the warmer those temperatures are going to be. 45 Jamestown and Oaks, 44 Fargo, and again, that is on Wednesday. Now I want to show you before we kind of wrap things up here. This is our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook put out by the Climate Prediction Center. This goes November 25th, so next Tuesday, through December 1st, the following Monday. So this includes all of Thanksgiving, including the day before, the day of, Black Friday, and into the weekend as well. We're trending near to slightly below average. I think the way this is going to play out is when we start those first couple days, next Tuesday, Wednesday, will be the warmer of the days. We start heading toward Thanksgiving and beyond, cooling off across the entire region. I think the area over that 7-day window that we're going to see the coolest temperatures is going to be, as you can see, our westernmost areas there, James River Valley, Devil's Lake Basin. But I think overall the trend is going to be cooling down. So by the time we hit Friday and Thanksgiving weekend, so there's Black Friday, Thanksgiving weekend, I think most areas are going to be below average in terms of temperatures, as it looks like some true colder air is moving into the region. As far as precipitation goes, and this will be interesting, again, this is from next Tuesday through the following Monday, it is likely that we will be above average in terms of precipitation. So again, when we start talking about what we're looking at Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and the following weekend, which of course means we're looking still 10, 11, 12, 13 days out, all we can tell you now is cooler than normal, and odds of precipitation are going to be higher than the average. So we're going to keep an eye on that for you. Again, we look at those weather models, not all of them are calling for precipitation or snow or a big event, but one is calling for a little bit more. The potential is there for that on Thanksgiving and on Black Friday as well. So again, keep an eye on it for you. In the meantime, looks like this week is going to be a nice one out there. Temperatures above the average, very little chance of precipitation tonight. A couple areas, mainly southern areas, and then again on Wednesday, some scattered light showers as well. Otherwise, we'll see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies for the bulk of the week. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a wonderful evening.